Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're doing another quick channel update. I didn't mention it in my last channel update, and I'm sorry, there's two channel updates really quickly. One of the things that I really want to focus on this channel is not only producing driving in the car GoPro videos. Every once in a while, I will pull out the DSLR and I'll get a decent quality video, but I'm not doing it as much as I'd like to, and part of the reason is I bought this car in the winter. It's been super cold, the weather hasn't been great. Just moved to the new apartment, have great cinematic shots. Like, I've got great places to film here, even around in my parking lot. So one of my big plans with this channel is to kind of take my low to medium quality content and every once in a while producing something that really is about the cinematography behind the automotive, like, kind of film culture. I definitely think I'm good at it. I haven't put that much stuff out. I actually really haven't put anything out on this channel that shows any of that. I've got a lot of car events coming up soon, and I really want to produce really good content. So look for changes in the way I produce content. Look for different equipment coming in. Part of the reason I haven't done this in the past is I was trying to run this channel kind of as a budget channel where I could still produce content, but I wasn't spending a ton of money on the equipment. I've saved up over the past couple months, been able to buy some equipment. I already have the camera, but some things like a slider and, you know, that kind of thing. So I could actually make some of the content. So look forward to that. I know some people have complained about it only being in the car and how this is typical, and I agree, but it's hard to break out of that, and it takes a lot of time to produce quality videos. So my goal is 1 or 2 a weekend, kind of going forward. That's my real hope. I want to focus them really around car meets, meeting with a lot of Subarus, a lot of WRXs. I want to kind of get the community together. And so yeah, guys, if you live in the New England area and you really want someone to shoot your car, or you want to be part of this channel, definitely shoot me a message. I'm really interested in shooting other people's cars. I want to kind of build the community together. I definitely, you know, shooting my own car will be great, but I don't want to produce all of the same content for you guys. I want to kind of make a diverse portfolio of things. So, and I definitely want to connect with people that live in New England that have WRXs. So you don't have to have a CVT. You can have a manual, or vice versa. There, you know, you could have a Forester. I'd love to get some people together. I'd love to shoot. If you're interested in getting good quality content and a portfolio of your car, and you want to kind of get your car on YouTube, whether you just want to show your friends or be on the channel for any reason, just let me know. I'm very open to that. I'd love to meet some of you guys that subscribe to the channel. I'd love to meet more people that own WRXs and Subarus in the New England area. I hope in the near future to try to host a meet, maybe get some people together in the Boston area. Anyone's welcome to come. So if you're interested in doing something similar to that and you want to, like, kind of get together sometime this summer, maybe even sooner, sometime in the month of June, definitely comment below, do something like that. I'll probably make an event on the Facebook page for this channel and try to get it out there. I'm probably not going to close it off to just Subarus, just so I can get other people to come. But that being said, I'm definitely going to have an emphasis on Subarus. So yeah, if you're interested, drop your information below, shoot me a message. I'd love to shoot some cars. And yeah, look out for a different type of kind of I look out for, like, different changes in how I film videos. I'm still gonna do this format where I'm doing the GoPro in the car and I'm either sitting or driving, but I want to do less of it and produce more content that I get to utilize some of the tools that I have. So appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys again for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for all the support. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.